Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a figure 8 shoulder slide, or a figure 8 shoulder slide push spin, depending upon how you look at it. On its own, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break that down. It starts off man's left, lady's right, and it comes from a left-handed return. So if you can't think of anything else to do, all you need to do is bring the lady in, block, and turn the lady. We're not going to bother with that bit because you can get to a left-handed return lots and lots and lots of different ways. So we're just going to think from the return. So here we are, we're step back, left to right, return the lady. So the lady's going to her left. We're going to bring that hand forwards, but we're not going to push, so the lady doesn't want to step back. We're going to turn to our right, fellas, and as we do so, we're going to bring that hand and we're going to pop it onto our left shoulder. Let go. We're going to keep turning. That hand is going to slide, and it's going to end up on our right shoulder. We could slide to the hand, but we're actually going to bring our forearm up so it meets the lady's forearm, and we've got to make contact gently and then push, as opposed to just collide. So we just push the hand to the right, the lady gets a return spin, we catch left to right, lower and back. This is one of those moves that you don't want to do too many times in a row, because effectively the lady got to do revolutions in the same direction one after the other. And we don't want to make our partners dizzy. So from another angle with numbers, we go back 1, return the lady 2, onto the shoulder and slide on the spot, guys, going around 3, spin the lady in a return direction 4 and catch 5. So let's do it to the numbers all together. Here we go. 5, a 6, figure 8, shoulder slide. We go a back, return, slide, spin and catch. Now you may have noticed we were quite close at the end, and as a result, instead of trying to get in tight and go for the forearm, I actually used Karen's upper arm. The one thing you want to avoid is colliding with the elbows. Okay, so apart from that, it's all good. That's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft, and remember, like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know every time a new video comes out. Also, there will be a music recommendation on the end with something good to dance to or good to practice to. See you then. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.